The yellow metal is usually in demand, with Indians headed to the closest jewellery store to buy gold, silver as well as other precious metals to pay homage to the goddess of wealth. But for what seemed to be the best investment option till just a few years back, seems to be losing its sheen. The yellow metal gold lost out in trade today. Gold actually hit a one-month low in trade as investors chose silver coins and the government's new gold schemes over jewellery. CNBC TV 18's Priya, Sheth went to a jewellery store in Mumbai's busy Zaveri Bazar to find out how many people are actually queuing up to buy the precious metal.
Well, buying activity is only increasing on this auspicious day of Dhanteras, and customers can't help but buy that one piece of jewellery to mark the occasion. In fact, what shopkeepers are seeing is an increase in demand. About 15 to 20% is what they expect today as compared with last year. They're seeing also an increase in the kind of gold and ornaments that consumers are purchasing. In fact, let's listen to what some shopkeepers had to say.
As the sentiments in the last few days have been quite low for the jewellery. But today being a very auspicious day, Dhanteras, in which if you buy anything on this particular day, it's going to be very lucky. And we are lucky enough to get the gold rate to be the lowest among the last few months.
Last Dhanteras, the rate was around 26,700 to 800, which is this Dhanteras, it is 26,000, 25,800 to 26,000. So we found around 15 to 20% more compared to the last year.
Buyers themselves are lured by the dip in gold prices. In fact, gold prices have dipped over the last 10 to 15 days, and they stand at an average of 2,500 to 2,600 per gram of gold. In fact, let's listen to what some customers had to say.
I remember last year when I bought it was around 28,000 per 10 grams. Today it is 25. So yes, it has definitely given a boost to the market also.
It's been a very precious day for me since I've never come out on Dhanteras. But today it seems like I was destined to come today to this place, and I have actually bought my entire new gold again.
Shopkeepers are leaving no stone unturned to lure the maximum number of customers with increasing number of offers as well as discounts as far as jewellery is concerned. They're also keeping the stores open way past working hours just so that they can cash in on the surge in demand.
So that's the